Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. If you are tired of going through the whole process of shutting down your computer, then this shortcut is perfect for you. So let's get started. Step 1. The first thing we need to do is to right click on an empty space on the desktop, select new and then click on shortcut. Step 2. Now in the location field, type in shutdown /s/t0 without the quotes. This command tells your computer to shut down immediately. Then click on next. Now you can name the shortcut anything you want. For example, you can name it shutdown or power off. After you have given it a name, click on finish. Congratulations, you have successfully created a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. Now, whenever you want to shut down your computer, just double click on the shortcut and your computer will shut down immediately. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.